So this is the lot out in Cedar Valley Acres where we put our shipping container. The road goes out here, and then you can see the shipping container here. We put some wood chips to it. It's a refrigerated shipping container, which means it's insulated. So I came in here um, this same day when we put these wood chips down. It was about 95 degrees outside, but inside the shipping container, it was 70 inside of there. So it stays pretty nice. There's a window cut out and a steel door here. And it still has all the equipment there from the refrigeration. But I like this spot. Look at this beautiful view out here towards the mountains. Um, I'm also kind of pointing here to the edge of our property. We're on 1.25 acres here, so there's a property stake out there somewhere that I'm pointing to. But you can see just those beautiful mountains out here, the freeways out that way. And there's some other property stakes right here, so we can see kind of our boundary, but that's looking back towards Cedar City. We're about 15 minutes here from Walmart and Home Depot and the freeway and everything in Cedar City, so it's pretty close by. There's a truck driving up that main dirt road, and yeah, we're planning on making a little house out here, or a cabin or something like that we can come out here and camp and test solar equipment and do some stuff. So check it out.